So today we are going to learn about the chapter name is India and other countries. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the relations with neighboring countries. So students, you can see one map is there. You can see in this map we are having all the neighboring countries, that is Pakistan. Pakistan, it is in northeast, and in sorry, Pakistan, it is northwest, and in China you can see in the northeast. We have Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Thailand, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Malaysia. These are all neighboring countries. Except China and Pakistan, other countries have a peaceful relations with India. That means we have a very good relations with other countries, but we have some problems and issues with Pakistan and China. So in this map, you can see the neighboring countries clearly. Okay. So in this chapter, we will study about India's relation with neighboring countries. We will also understand India's relation with some faraway nations. So you can see here India's position in Asia is geographically and politically important. So India is having very much important. I will show you a map. So you can see in this map, we have an Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, that is blue in color, light bluish color, and Indian Ocean. Because of this, आप देख सकते हो ये example map में कि Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and Indian Ocean. This is a very important part for the world trade. So 40% of trade is used by the Indian Ocean. Because of this, India is nearby Indian Ocean. The trading is happened here. That means आज यहाँ पर समुद्र का किनारा ओशंस है यहाँ पर इसके वजह से यहाँ पर व्यापार ज्यादा होता है ट्रेडिंग मींस द व्यापार इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट ओके now you can see the values of equality and mutual respect have a great importance in India's foreign policy. See, every country is governed by certain values, and even India is bound by it. So, values are such an important part of a country, which decides the development of that country, and our such values is of equality and respect. So, India is always giving respect and equality to other countries. Because of that, India's bonding relations with other countries are very good. On the basis of these values, India has established her relations with other nations. और ये values के वजह से कि इंडिया सबसे ज्यादा अच्छे रिलेशंस किसके वजह से रखता है क्योंकि इंडिया हर कंट्रीज को इक्वली ट्रीट करता है और एक दूसरे की रिस्पेक्ट करता है ये वैल्यूज के वजह से ही आज हमारे साथ बहुत सारी कंट्रीज जुड़ी हुई है एक साथ एक दूसरे के साथ बॉन्ड करके रखे हैं रिलेशंस बना के रखे हुए हैं India is economically and technologically more advanced. It is thus natural that India has a great influence among the South Asian countries. और आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि आज इंडिया economically be strong and technologically be strong. That's why India is called as the fifth largest economic of the world. And gradually आप देख सकते हो India is totally advanced in artificial intelligence, robotics, Internet of the Things. And because of this, we have a very good huge employment generations. And because of this, India is proceeding in the path of capitalism. और इसी वजह से आप देख सकते हो इंडिया बहुत ज्यादा इकोनॉमिकली स्ट्रांग हो रहा है So now we will learn about India and Pakistan's relation. आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से जानते होंगे कि इंडिया और पाकिस्तान का रिलेशन किस तरह से है. So you can see in this picture, India's flag is there and Pakistan's. Almas ma'am, my PPT is not presenting because issues are coming. Almas ma'am.
You can continue without the PPT then for today.
Should I start